Hello, I'm Steve Guilford, the founder and CEO of AsterionDB. In this short video presentation, I'm going to talk about how the AsterionDB converged computing platform is a perfect match for the rigorous demands of managing DICOM images. DICOM is a standard that is used to store medical images. I'm sure you know that the security, availability, and management of this data is of critical importance. With large data sets and extreme security, the patterns and techniques that have been employed in the past are no match for today's requirements. Systems today have to provide 24/7 availability, long-term secure storage, and be easily integrated into other electronic medical record systems. DICOM is a unique format that by its very nature imposes a strict hierarchical relationship, as you can see here. However, data must still be accessible in a relational manner. This leads to implementations that rely on both a file system and a database-oriented approach. This is, however, a compromise that is difficult to work with and expensive to maintain. AsterionDB takes a different approach. We make the database smart enough to understand how to work with DICOM images natively, and we store the data directly in the database. We also have an integrated keyword tagging mechanism. Together, these features allow us to satisfy the security, operations, and management issues associated with large-scale DICOM server implementations. We are also able to support the hierarchical and relational access requirements of DICOM. With AsterionDB, we can work with any unstructured data type in the database. AsterionDB is equally adept at managing PDFs, spreadsheets, and DICOM images, for example. This allows us to build efficient, unified medical record repositories that can meet the requirements of many applications, not just a DICOM server. Thank you for watching, and check back for further updates on AsterionDB and how we can apply it to challenging problems like DICOM.